changing the curtain of Gabriel.
So like that will do, won't it? Because that's like a proper one, isn't it?
I will show you guys so this is how it looks like. The before, we're changing it into, so that's the before. Show you the after. We have to go and unscrew there, unscrew on there. One, my boy. What do you think? Do you like your new one?
And especially.
Oh yeah, you did it, didn't you? Cable did the other side, this side, and I went on a ladder. Can you see the ladder, guys? Yeah, it's nice, nicer than the brown. Ah, it's bright. Ano?
Do this. It's good. My shadow.
It's like a light gray, guys. You can't see it very well because, yeah, it's light gray. Light gray. So here's my curtain, guys, and I'm changing it as well.
You want to know the most?
I will see you in a bit, and when it's changed. Cable's helping me.
Huh?
Yeah, well done now, Kuya Gabi.
Okay, if I get this straight.
On the side,
Yes.
a pull can move and you can do that.
Ah, well done, my boy. Well done. So I need to do the other side.
Now just the same.
Wow, guys, what do you think? Thank you, boys, for helping. I love this curtain. If you remember, guys, it's from the car boot. Daniel.
Like proper.
Daniel, I love this.
Mum, can you see where my hand is?
I can't. This is proper blackout. So I need to buy your thingy, a blinds.
Let me do it too.
I need to buy you a blinds, my boy. Wow, love this curtain. Hi, everyone. How are you all? Look at my curtain. I love my curtain. It's just so dark when it's both closed. Look, guys. Anyway, we just came back from swimming. I took Gabriel to swimming lesson and Noah came with us. Something happened to my eye, guys. Look, can you see it? Yeah. It started this morning, but for a few days it has been, you can feel something in there. Ay, I love you so much, baby. So yes, guys, look. We have a Costco haul. Husband just arrived, and we have a new Hoover Vax. We will show you, okay? See you in a bit. Guys, here is the Vax Hoover. Oh, so Vax blade cordless. It's upstairs, guys. Husband's charging it for now because I will show you when he. So that's the Vax blade cordless. I will show you later on, guys. So this is from Vax eBay. It's own eBay, own Vax account. But did I say it right? Yeah, from eBay, but it's a Vax from proper Vax. Did I explain it right, guys? It's cheaper. 80 quid. Daddy, did you say how much? 80 quid. Because they said that the box, this box is broken. But it's not broken at all. So, yeah, it's not broken at all. Isn't it, Dad?
Yeah.
And anyway, there's a Costco haul. So we have Volvic strawberry drink. We have a brownie, and it's $4.99. We have, oh, it's so heavy, Kuya. Gingerbread house with Santa sleigh and trees. Oh, so this is the one you have to decorate. My God, you got that.
But it hasn't even been
Santa.
Halloween.
We have
My favorite cereal, my new favorite cereal.
yay! Maybe I will try this tomorrow. It looks nice.
It's mine.
And this one is so cheap. Oh, there's the potato is backlab. The potato in Costco. Oh, I love the ciabatta. So, ciabatta. And we have the baguettes. And we have... How much was the potato, Labi? $1.99. 2 pounds for a big, massive... That's good. We could have a jacket potato and a hash brown one day. So, that's it, Daddy, your Costco haul? Oh, Noah's excited to have it. Oh, let's open it then. Let's Daddy sit down. Here, you sit down on your seat, baby. Wow! You grab a brownie, boys! I will have a brownie. I'm excited. I'm starving.
You want two?
Only one, because you need dinner in a minute.
Guys, it's so cheap for 5 pounds. Guys, when my husband saw my eye, how did you feel, my love? He hugged me. He hugged me, guys. With my eye.
Angela Black.
It's painful every time I like blink or something, move it. Oh, Noah.
I'm getting 100
100 hug.
and kitten.
And kiss too.
Yes.
Guys, here's our dinner tonight. Beef casserole. The boys are already eating it. They have a rice with it and husband's potato and this is what me and Gable had for lunch. I made like a noodles. Noah doesn't want it. He had a sandwich, yogurt, all those stuff. Potato. Guys, Happy will show you the new Hoover. So, come on, baby. Whoa! Oh my! What do you think, love? Any good? Is it powerful enough? Look, love it there. The thingy. So, how do you turn it on? Ah, there. What's they? Oh, when they knock it over. The kids. The kids done that. Huh?
That's it.
Oh. Already? Oh.
That's that for the brush bar.
For the... Oh. So you need to press that brush bar all the time? And what's this for?
The power.
And these other ones? Oh, and these other ones?
Just the power.
Oh, just doing none?
Tells you how much power you got.
Oh. So really, you only have to press the and then the brush air and the boost mode.
No, the boost mode is automatic.
Ah. So how do you do the power?
Just tell me how the battery is.
Ah, that's a battery. If you want it more power.
It's some on full power.
Oh, you don't have a thingy. Okay. And this, how much you got? What? How do you empty this one then?
Button here.
Let me see. How do you can't take this off?
Do it. No.
Oh, so you have to take the whole lot.
No.
Please. Oh, this one, the bottom. How do you take it off? Ah. Okay. And then here. Oh, so when you empty, you do that. Not like taking the whole thing. Yeah, like that. That's why I'm asking you earlier, didn't I? This is for upstairs, guys. We will see how is it, and then maybe I'll buy another one for downstairs. Maybe. I will see. It's broke. It has a thing straight away, love, because the boys knock it over. How come? My gosh. It's a bit heavy. This bit. Yeah. It's okay for the 80 pounds, you know. Noah, did you knock over the Hoover? Oy, did you say sorry to Dad? Dad is not happy. Come here then. Give Mommy a kiss. You say sorry to Daddy when he comes back, yeah? Because he's walking check. Okay? Daddy's charging the Hoover. We need to be careful. It's brand new. He hasn't screwed the what do you call? It has a thing to go on the wall, guys. So it's attached to the wall. I will show you when husband finally done it and whereabouts he's gonna put it. At the moment, he put it in Gable's room and no one knocked it over. So that's why, did you see that damage? It dropped on the floor.
We didn't do it, so.
You said you knocked it over, baby. Did you or did you not?
We didn't.
So who did it then? You said you did, baby boy. Just say sorry to Dad, and he's fine.
Okay.
Yeah? Yes? Come. Just, what are you gonna say to Dad?
That we
When he comes back, yeah? Did you knock it over or not?
did.
You did or not?
We did.
You did? Oh, bless your heart. We have to be careful. It's brand new, aren't we? To clean our carpet. You're a good boy, huh?
Can stick, so.
Anyway, guys, I'm going to work tonight. Off tomorrow. So, yeah, off for 2 days. So, I will see you on tomorrow's vlog. We're taking the kids to cinema. Not till the evening because husband's working all day. So, we have to wait for him to go back. So, we have the all day. Because I have to sleep after going back. And I hope my eyes will be better. It doesn't, I think it doesn't look obvious in the camera. But in person, guys, it's quite big and swollen. When I saw it this morning, I was quite sad. I look like awful. It's just because I have lipstick. But without these things, I look absolutely awful. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.